Oh, wow. Monica, I think we're late. I think the show's already started.
Come on, Mike. Hurry. We can do this. Okay, do we have everything we need? Cameras.
Check.
Microphone.
Yeah, I got it. Check.
Mirror. Earplugs.
Earplugs. You know what? I think I saw some out in the lobby. Oh, wait a second. Why do you need earplugs?
In case they start singing again. They're kids, and kids are like always singing.
Cheer up, boss. Kids are what Christmas is all about. This is going to be a great story.
Let's be real, Mike. A great story would be interviewing the mayor at the tree lighting, or talking to celebrities at the holiday parade. Interviewing a bunch of little kids in bathrobes is not a great story. It's just cute.
Welcome. My name is Luke, and I'm here with my friend Matthew to tell you the most wonderful story you have ever heard. The story of God's greatest promise to you and me, and how that promise was born in a child.
Our story begins with a Jewish priest named Zachariah. Zachariah and Elizabeth were godly folk, careful to obey all of God's laws.
But they had never been able to have any children, and as you can see, now they are both very old.
Oh, my poor back.
Hold on, dear. Let me help you. There, that's better. A month later, God sent angels from Nazareth, a village in Galilee, to a virgin named Mary.
I am Gabriel. Don't be afraid, Mary. God has chosen you to be a mother of a child whose name shall be called Jesus. He will be the Son of the Most High God.
But one night, while Joseph was sleeping, an angel of the Lord appeared to him in a dream. Joseph, son of David. Joseph, son of David.
And there were shepherds living out in the fields nearby, keeping watch over their flocks by night.
That is so awesome. Those sheep really listen to you. They know all the dozen. I know each one by name. Okay, so what do you call that one? That's Chops, Fluffy, Fuzzy, and Miss Curly. Interesting. So that must be Larry and Mo.
An angel of the Lord appeared among them. They were all badly frightened.
But the angel of the Lord reassured them.
Do not be afraid. I bring you good news of great joy that will be for all the people.
About that same time, 3 wise men from the east arrived in Jerusalem.
Tiny king, I bring you pure gold. Gold is reserved for royalty. All creation will bow before you, for you are the king of all kings. I bring you my gift of sweet-smelling frankincense, a gift of great value. Frankincense has healing powers, the perfect gift for you. For you are the one who will bring great healing to his people. Oil of myrrh to anoint you, my king. Myrrh is a sign of humanity, for you're both son of man and son of God. King Jesus, we humbly bow before you and honor you as King of our
I thought I was just going to talk to some kids about Santa and Christmas lists. Just looking for the big story. But you know what, Mike?
Yeah, boss.
I think we got the big story.
You know,
For unto us